You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn how to pronounce, I know, this very curious word from ancient Rome. If you want to learn more names from ancient Rome, Roman, Latin, stay tuned, pronounced in English as triumvirate. Not trium. In Latin, yes, it would be triumvirate. But in English, the pronunciation is as triumvirate. Triumvirate. It's not triumvirate. Triumvirate. How to pronounce English pronunciation, triumvirate. And now you know. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.